Hi friends, in today's video I'm going to discuss a very sensitive issue, that is marital rape. Many of us, especially women, married women, probably have encountered situations where women were not ready to satisfy the sexual needs of the husbands. This could have been for different reasons. Could be that she was tired, could be that she was nursing her baby, could be that she was having some kind of ailment, could be that she was not mentally ready, and above all, could be that she was not at all physically also fit. Recently, the Delhi High Court had raised this issue that if the sex worker has got the right to say no to her clients, why the wives cannot use such rights. When I read this, observation, and also when I read about this news, I was happy in one way that at least now the courts are ready to hear about marital rape, which was not at all considered as an offense. Forget about thinking about it as an offense also. When the criminal laws went through different amendments, at the same time, which was also considered as a ground for divorce by husbands. That means that if the wife continues to reject the husband for any sort of sexual connection, or for giving the sexual pleasures to the man, or rather I would say in a very direct way, when the wife denies any sort of sexual intercourse to the husband, it can be considered as a ground for divorce. Now that the court has considered that, wife may have, I'm just using the term, wife may have certain kinds of rights to say no, I'm getting to see a very bright light at the end of the tunnel. That means that, you know, if the wife feels mentally, physically, and also situation wise that she's not ready to have that sexual connection with the wife, she has the right to say no. And the husband cannot make it as an issue either for creating some kind of domestic issues, domestic violence, or for taking it as a plot for divorce. Agree it or not, or appreciate it or not, agree with me or not, I have seen that there are many men who basically go ahead for divorce because they're not satisfied, quote unquote, they're not satisfied by the sexual, connections or sexual pleasure that they get from the wives. There are men who justify their cheatings, extramarital affairs, uh, in spite of the fact that they are so called happily married, because they often come back and say that they were not happy with the sexual connections they had with their wives. We must understand that women are not machines, especially women are not sex machines. Similarly, vice versa, obviously, men also have got this, a right. But since I did, and many of us did get to see that women are the, majority victims in such cases, that means the marital rape. So I feel very happy to note that the courts are considering that, to a certain extent, women may be given some right to say no from the Indian perspective, because we do get to see that, in many foreign jurisdictions, marital rape is considered as an offense. However, we also must understand one thing, that when the woman brings the plea for marital rape, she has to have the burden of proof. And in such cases, the court needs to go to the bedroom of the couple to see that, in a consensual relationship, that means in a marriage, the wife did not consent for sex. And what was the reason? Whether it was just a plea, just an alibi, or just anything, or whether there was any genuine reason for this. However, whatever it is, I'm really happy that such kinds of things are being taken note of by the courts, and let us hope that women may enjoy better rights in coming future. Thank you.